Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes in the world, the 2026 Yamaha R3. Known for its balance of performance, style, and accessibility, the R3 has been a favorite choice for new riders and experienced enthusiasts alike. The 2026 model continues this tradition with refined styling, improved dynamics, and updated technology. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the R3 is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha R3 arrives with sharper, race-inspired styling influenced by its bigger R-series siblings. The front end now features sleeker LED headlights integrated into an aerodynamic fairing, enhancing both looks and wind protection. Slim bodywork and sculpted lines give the R3 a lightweight, aggressive stance, while new color schemes and graphics bring a fresh, sporty appeal. It's a bike that looks at home on city streets and racetracks alike. Performance and powertrain. Powering the R3 is a refined 321 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin, delivering smooth performance and responsive acceleration. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission for precise gear shifts, making it ideal for both commuting and weekend rides. Yamaha has tuned the suspension for improved comfort and sharper handling, while the lightweight chassis ensures agility in corners and stability at higher speeds. Riders can expect a thrilling yet approachable ride experience. Safety and technology. The 2026 R3 comes equipped with advanced rider aids, including ABS for confident braking and improved traction control. A new digital TFT display provides essential ride information with smartphone connectivity for added convenience. LED lighting all around enhances visibility, while optional quickshifter and riding modes bring a touch of premium performance to the lightweight class. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha R3 remains a standout in the entry-level sport bike segment, offering the perfect mix of style, performance, and technology. With its updated design and rider-focused features, it's built to inspire confidence and excitement in every ride. Stay tuned to my channel for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that keep the passion for riding alive.